At about 11:30 a.m. this morning, police were called to the scene here, and ambulance staff are already here, and there's two people, a male and a female, inside who are deceased from what appears to be stab wounds. Two other people have been taken to Auckland Hospital, one in a critical condition and is undergoing surgery right at this moment. Police just want to reassure the public we're not looking for anyone else outside of the people that we're dealing with now. It's a normal homicide. Investigation has begun, so we'll be doing a scene examination, we'll be doing an area canvass. Over the weekend, post-mortems will be conducted, and we'll be making inquiries and notifying family and friends. This is obviously a double homicide. It's a tragedy. There are going to be family members out there who are grieving as a result. Any questions?
Is this a family harm incident?
Look, at this stage, until we've formally identified people and we've spoken to some of the witnesses, I can't say for sure.
But did this happen inside the building?
It appears to have happened inside the building. At this stage, until we've formally identified everybody, particularly the deceased, I can't comment on that. Once again, it's very early in the investigation and we don't know. We haven't contacted the owner of the premises. It's very early in the investigation. It would appear they were known to each other, but I can't give that assurance until our investigation has progressed. Two other people have been taken to Auckland Hospital, one in a critical condition and one with some superficial injuries.
Can you provide information on the fourth person was involved, whether they were directly related or caught up?
Look, until we have interviewed the people who are able to be interviewed and we've done some background investigative work, I can't comment. The ambulance got a phone call and came here, they arrived, they contacted police. I haven't heard that phone call, I don't know the detail. No, until the post-mortem has been completed, we won't be able to give that assurance on that.
When you say you're not looking for anyone else, or any of the suspects, the people that have been injured?
Look, the person who's had the superficial injuries was able to speak to us initially, but they're obviously at the hospital, so until we get everything and everybody interviewed, we don't know the full story here.
Okay, but you're not looking for anyone outside of the four people who have been?
We're not looking for anyone else. Well, until the scene examination has been completed, we won't know what we have there. I can't comment on that, I don't.
What nationality were they?
No, until we've had them formally identified, not in a position to say. No, we have staff up just talking. But I think we're starting to get into repeated sort of questions here. I can only say so much because it's very early stages. We will come back with updated information as we have it.
Was it one of the two in the hospital who rang the police?
I can't say. Part of the police investigation will be providing victim support to family members involved, and we're there and we have specialised victim support people trained in homicide investigations to assist.
What about the neighbourhood? The neighbours are a bit reckless with the
Well, as I say, we've said we're not looking for anyone else apart from who we are dealing with at present, and we'll be doing an area canvass, and part of that area canvass will involve some public reassurance. At this stage, there's no ongoing risk to the community. But thank you very much. All right. We'll have an update as it goes. Very early.